Hi everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this amazing Windows theme, the Spider-Man theme in your desktop. So as you can see, you have clock and you have the visualization of the song and what song you're playing, and you can go to previous post and stuff, and your taskbar is transparent and very nice. So let me show you how to do this. Okay, first of all, you need to hide all these icons in your desktop. So what you need to do is click on anywhere in your desktop and right click on it and go to view and go to show desktop icons. You can see one called show desktop icons. Just untick it, just click on it. Now all the desktop icons are disappear. It's hide. If you want to get it again, right click on the desktop, go to view and click on the show desktop icons again. It will show all the icons back. So right now for this theme I'm going to hide it, so I'm going to hide it now. Okay, second step is to center your taskbar. Right now mine is set to center. If your taskbar is left or right, let me show you how to change it. So right click on the taskbar anywhere I want and go to taskbar settings. In here, go to taskbar behaviors. Now you can see one called taskbar alignment. In here you can change it to left. As you can see, it's left now. And if you selected left, make sure select center. That's up to you, but it's better in this theme with the center taskbar. Okay. The third step is to download the theme pack. I have created one theme pack for you. Just download it, and it has all the necessary applications, files you need for this theme. So go to my link in the description below and download this file. Okay, it's downloaded. Let me go to that downloads folder. This is I have created. Right click on it and extract all. Click next to extract. Okay. In here you have all the files you need. First of all, let's make this this desktop with the Spider-Man lively wallpaper. First of all, copy this folder and paste it in your C drive. I mean, if you install your Windows on a different drive than C, just put it there. I'm gonna put it in the C drive because my Windows is installed in the C drive. I'm doing this because we are going to use this live wallpaper and these skins, cursor informations and dock icons. So if you remove this folder, like if you put in downloads folder, mistakenly remove it, the theme will be not work correctly. So that's why we are going to put into C, because you are not going to mistakenly delete in the C drive file. So I'm going to put it there. The fourth step is to install lively wallpaper. So go to start bar and type store. Okay, in here search for lively wallpaper and click on install. Okay, it's installed now. As you can see, it says open. Now click on open. So this is the lively wallpaper. This software has pre-defined themes. So let me show you what this software can do. So if I put this one, rain, you can see my wallpaper has changed to animated wallpaper with a rain theme. So let's add a new wallpaper here. Click on add wallpaper and click on browse and go to your C drive or whatever the drive you have put the theme folder. Go there and go to themes folder and click on Spider-Man live wallpaper. Now it's installing into this software. Click on OK. Okay. So it's installed now. As you can see, this is the live wallpaper we are going to use. Let's add other things. So let's go to the next step. The next step is to install Rainmeter. So I'm going to install this rainmeter.exe file. I double click on it and click OK. Next, and finish. Now you can see it has some widgets by default. Right click on it, click on unload skin, and unload skin. So it's all gone. Now what you need to do is go to this folder again and let's install the clock. So you have one file, double click on it and click install. Now it will install into your Rainmeter. So find your Rainmeter in your taskbar, click on it and it will open. Now this is the Rainmeter. So you have iOS clock which we have installed just now. Go inside there and you need to click on clock underscore small. If you double click on it, it will come in your Windows desktop. So I think the small one is good. So I'm going to drag and put it in right here. Okay, I think that's cool. Right here. Okay. The second thing I'm going to do in Rainmeter is song info. So I'm going to double click on the second one, song info, and going to install into Rainmeter that as well. You will pop like this. Just exit out for now. Now go to Rainmeter again, and you can see one called clear text. Go inside there and double click on this one and click allow access. Now this is the song name and playing information. So this song info, so I'm going to put it right here and everything is fine. Okay, now we need a visualization. So this one doesn't have visualization, just show the name of the song you're playing. So let me go to my folder again, visualization, and right click and double click and open it and install that as well. Okay, going to click setup. Now in here you need to set up this. So first of all, right click on this one and unload this one. Right click on this one and unload this one as well. Just unload everything. Now go to Rainmeter again and go to this one and click on visualization. We need only this one, so I'm going here. So this is really big, so let me go to settings and go to visualization settings. Okay, this is the settings page. You can go to here like this. If you put a widget in here, right click on it, go to open settings, it will open up here the settings as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is visualization scale. I'm going to put 0.16. So it will be small. I'm going to put it here. So that's it I'm going to in here, and also I'm going to change this angle. So right now it's coming like this. Let's put 180 in here. $180. Okay. Again, put it here. Okay. I think that's good for now. I'm gonna close it. Now let's align here, and we'll put this in here. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, next step is to make this taskbar transparent. So in order to do that, go to Lively Wallpaper and click on this settings button and go to System. In here you can see taskbar theme. You can select clear, blur, fluent, wallpaper, fluent, and stuff. So I'm gonna put clear, and you can see taskbar is now clear. So it's like a transparent. One. That's very cool. Okay, the final step is to change this cursor. So this is a old cursor, so I'm going to change it. So go to my folder and go to cursors, and you can choose between dark and light. I have a preview one, so this is the preview. This is the dark one, this is the light one. So I'm going to put dark one right now. Go to dark, and you can find a file called install.inf. Right click on that and go to show more options, and click on install again and click OK. Yes, as you can see, this is the new cursor. So everything is work fine now. And let me show you the theme again. So this is the theme. Okay, let me show you this now playing one. So to work this, go to Spotify. So I'm going to open my Spotify, and let's play a song. So as you can see, it shows the name of the song you're playing and also the visualization. That's very cool. Now you can play next. You can go to previous. You can pause. Anything you want. Okay, so that's how it works. You can't hear the song because it's copyrighted, so we can't use this, but it will work for sure. Okay, so this is the Spider-Man theme. So I think this video helpful for you to find out how to create this amazing Spider-Man theme in your desktop as well. Okay, see you next time with another great video like this. Bye bye.